different. So let's go to our next deal. Okay, the next one is probably going to be the Kit Kats. These are going to be $1.99. Right now, you see they are two for $8. So every week it'll be something different. Okay, guys, and this Kellogg sale will be back on. They will be buy one get two free. We have a coupon that's going to give us $1 off of three. Okay, and it did print us out a $1 register reward this week, so hopefully it'll give us another one. So it's going to be the Kellogg's. All right, so let's go to our next deal. The cheeses will be buy one get one free, but take a look. You see how small the box is? That's what you're looking at. So now this is when you decide, is it worth it? Okay, is this worth it? So that's when you decide that. Okay, now the next thing, see the tissue. This is the Walgreens tissue. It's $1.99 with now. See that in on September 30th, but it's going to be 5% Walgreens cash reward. This will be $1.49. Code OB50 was working. They might give us another code, but so far it was working. Now, I did not get a chance to film that I got these for $1.49 online. But this week they're advertising like they was before, but only they're giving you plus 5% Walgreens cash. All right. So that's our next deal. Okay, our next deal will be the Gang Easy Squeeze. These will be $1.99 back to, and you get $1 register reward. Okay, so you know with Gang, you got to get here early in the morning, catch the bird with them. So the key word is first thing in the morning. Okay, guys. Also, the next one will be the Don. The Don is buy two get a $1 register reward. Now it's a lot of these, but if you get to your store about 8:30, they probably will go white clean. Okay, your Downy rinse and refresh, $7. It's a $3 off coupon, making these $4. Okay, that's what we'll be getting. Now, our Persil will be $13.99. Buy one, you're gonna get a $3 register reward, and then guys, look, if you submit to Ibotta, you're gonna get $2 back on Ibotta. Now, if you use a coupon, you would not get that Ibotta cash. Okay. Next deal is Crest and Oral B. Buy three of these. It's $5 off three. That'll be $3 each on Sunday. Pay $3 each. You'll get $5 off three. You'll pay four out of pocket and get a $3 register reward. And you can use Walgreens cash or a register reward to pay this down. And the best deal in the world that we love is back, and they are buy one get two free, making these 98 cents each. You know you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay it down with, guys. And Viva will be $4.99. And this deal for the Scott will still be buy one get one 50% off, guys. So that'll still be going on. Head and Shoulders is back on sale. Buy two at $6 each. You have a $3 off two coupon. You'll pay nine out of pocket and get $4 register reward. Okay. Also could use register reward or Walgreens cash to pay that. Okay, guys. Old Spice. Now, lesson. Please listen up. You about three of these. Do not clip the coupon. Do not clip the manufacturer's coupon, because if you do, you would not be able to get the $2 each back on Ibotta. Okay. You'll pay $19.50 out of pocket. You'll get a $5 register reward for Walgreens, and then you can get two for a six back from Ibotta. If you click the manufacturer coupon and use it, you will not get money back from Ibotta. So this could be a double dip if you do not clip the manufacturer coupon, right? But you can pay this down with using Walgreens cash or register rewards. Please do not clip the manufacturer if you plan on using Ibotta to get the $2 a piece back. Okay, guys, see right here, I'm looking at the Olay. That's the deal now. You buy three of these overlays for $7. It's a $5 off 3 coupon. You'll pay $16 out of pocket. You will get $5 register reward. You can use Walgreens cash or register reward to pay this down with, okay? Now, caution. This might be something to look out for. This is usually the one that double dips. This one right here usually is the one that double dips. So make sure you pay attention to that. Hey guys, so you all see this, the Gillette Fusion 5, $13.99. We'll grab one of those. And the Venus Gillette Women's, the other one is for men. Okay, they're BOGO. Buy one, get one 50% off. You get a $3 off digital for each of the Venus and one for the men. You'll pay $13.73 out of pocket and you get an $8 Walgreens cash. Now remember, keep your eye on these because these double dip a lot, but not this week so far. It's not on the double dip list. We do not have double dips, like I said. Those are just possibles that I'm telling you about because they don't end to the end of the month. Okay, guys, the Complete Home Twist Tie trash bags is another one that'll be $1.99 starting on Sunday, but they also have that 5% more Walgreens cash that you'll get back. So don't make them $1.49 along with the tissue. Okay, the little downy like this, the small Tide Simply, and the small downy. All of those will be 4 for $9. Okay, guys, so that's it for the Walgreens deals of the week. Of course, I will be out early in the morning to do deals. If I find some glitches or double dips should pop up, I will definitely post that. So be looking out for that video. But let me show you what I got right here. $1.99. So that's my coupon find of the day. And guys, make sure you be looking out for my Walgreens cheap deals. I will be doing that and my Walgreens online deals of the week. Thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I just